Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Essential English by Rakesh Roy. If you are an English learner and want to expand your English vocabulary tremendously, or you are preparing for various competitive examinations like WBCS, SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, banking, PSC clerkship, PSC miscellaneous and other such exams where English has a crucial part, you are in the right place. As I had promised before that I would come up with videos on idioms and phrases every Sunday, I am here with one. Friends, I have made up my mind to discuss idioms and phrases alphabetically so that I would be able to cover all the important ones from A to Z. Yes, from A to Z is also an idiomatic phrase which I shall deal with when I come across it again in the list. So let's get started. So here is our first idiom. Take something or somebody into account. Now let me be clear about these two terms. STH stands for something and SB stands for somebody. So what is the meaning of this idiom? The meaning is to consider something while reviewing a situation. Let's see how can we use this idiom in a sentence. I hope my teacher will take into account the fact that I was ill just before the exam. So this is how we have to use the idiom. Our next idiom is be out of action. Now what is the meaning of be here? In auxiliary verb, there are three kinds of verbs. One is be verb, one is have verb, and one is do verb. Now in be verbs, there are many words like is, are, am, was, were. So it depends upon the tense. So what is the meaning of this idiom, be out of action? The meaning is something is not working or somebody is injured or ill and cannot do things. So let's see how to make sentence with this idiom. I'm afraid I cannot tell you the account balance as the system is out of action. Here the meaning of the idiom is the system is not working properly, so I cannot tell you the account balance. So this is how we have to use the idiom. Our next idiom is be up in the air, means undecided. So if something is up in the air means that is undecided. So let's look at the sentence. The decision if I'll go abroad is still up in the air. Our next idiom, here comes the idiom from A to Z, means thoroughly. I want to know the story of her life from A to Z, means I want to know the story of her life thoroughly, completely, from A to Z. Our next idiom is of one's own accord, means voluntarily, or you can say deliberately or willfully. So let's put that idiom in a sentence. We didn't have to ask him to resign. He went of his own accord. Our next idiom is an Achilles heel, which means vulnerable point. What is a vulnerable point? A vulnerable point is a weak point, or you can say a soft point. So let's see the sentence. Corrupt ministers are regarded as the government's Achilles heel. Our next idiom is a man of action. You can understand the meaning literally. The meaning is a man who prefers to do things rather than think about and discuss them. Let's put the idiom in a sentence. The country needs a political leader who is a man of action. Yeah, it's true. Every country needs a leader who is a man of action. So our next idiom is alive and kicking, which means continue to live and be full of energy. I was delighted to see my old friend alive and kicking at a social event last weekend. Our ninth idiom is all and sundry, which means people in general, or you can say common people. I don't want all and sundry to come to know about our differences. And the last idiom for today's class is the apple of one's eye, which means favorite. Margaret is the apple of Mr. Priestley's eye. Means Margaret is Mr. Priestley's favorite daughter or child, you can say. So as a bonus, let me give you two more idioms. Here you can see the phrase full of energy. Is there any idiom that we can use instead of it? Yes, there is. What is that? Full of beans. If you say that I am full of beans, you mean that I am full of energy. Or there is another idiom that is a live wire. If you say that a person is a live wire, means he is very energetic or enthusiastic. I hope this video of mine has proved to be a useful one. Give me a lot of thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my further videos. Do share my videos with all your friends and others. See you all in the next class. Thank you.